No, I got them all. Yeah. Okay, that's it for the female cat. So if you want to look closer,
Can
do
you,
it again.
yeah,
Okay.
Yes.
can you do it from this side? Because you did it towards them last time.
So this is the only one that's pretty good.
Okay.
You guys are gonna share the video.
All right, so
Yeah.
this is the urethra. Okay, we know it's the urethra because it leads to the bladder. Okay, urethra is used for the urine to come out. Okay, so on the other side is the vagina. We know it's the vagina because it's next to the urethra, and then when they connect at the bottom, they make the urogenital sinus. Okay, when you follow it up, you find two uterine horns. Okay, so this would be your left uterine horn, your right uterine horn. At the tip of the horn, you find the ovary. So this is the ovary.
Okay, so
Left ovary, right ovary.
so just follow them, you're gonna find the ovary.
Yeah, just follow them up.
They don't have
Okay.
the fallopian tube.
No, they just have the uterine horn.
So from the
Oh.
urethra, work our way up.
Exactly. So
So-
this is how big the horns would get when they're pregnant.
Professor, so the difference would be if the difference between the human and the cat is the fallopian tube.
Yeah, which would be the horn.
How do they
And,
know that it would be a uterus and not a fallopian tube?
Yeah.
what are you
If you see a
talking about?
tube, well, I'm saying if you see a tube and you see an ovary attached, how did whomever was conquering the cat know this is a uterus?
Yes.
What I'm saying is, how did they know that this is a uterus and not a fallopian tube?
Yes, we.
Because
we
cats
can.
are not humans.
And cats don't have
So that's just
Cats are just different. Yeah, they have uterine horns. They don't have fallopian tubes.
Right.
We're gonna have a pregnant cat on the final.
No, I just wanted to show you what it
Oh,
looks
I
like.
wish it would be more easy
Yeah, you
to.
can see it's right here. Yeah, so this.
Can we
That's
see
how
inside?
big they get. I mean, yeah, if you want to go dissect at your table, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
I don't think that.
Well, I mean, that's a little weird. Why would
Why
you
does
want to
it
do
look
that?
like the small intestine is inside of that thing? Inside of the uterus?
Well, you know when you get pregnant, it pushes up
Everything.
against,
Everything.
yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome.
And all those hormones and stuff, yeah. That's why it looks like that.
So that's everything for the
Well, this is for the female cat. I couldn't find a male cat that was dissected.
okay.
That's why I didn't want to show y'all.
Can you do it like pointed towards us? Because
Oh, okay,
yeah, because
sorry.
the angle is always towards them.
All right, so right here's the bladder.
Okay.
You follow the bladder down. This is the urethra because the urethra helps take out urine. Okay? So on the side is the vagina. This is the vagina right here. They combine and they make the urogenital sinus right here. Okay? And then on each side, the cat has uterine horns. This is where the little litters of the kittens would be. So they can have multiple births. You follow the horns up and you find an ovary on each side. So the tip is the ovary. Ovary.
Oh.
That's the ovary. Yeah, they're tiny. That's what I said, just at the top. Mm-hmm. So if I tag the middle, it's the horn. At the top, it's the ovary.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the horn. Did you say it's bigger when it's they're pregnant?
Yeah, this is what it looks like. So this thing right here looks like this when this cat is pregnant right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so that's the horn.
Yeah, you see how the horn is on each side?
Yeah.
There's cats inside right now. Kittens. But they never made to be kittens. But yeah, you get what I'm saying. All right, and then next week I'll show you a male cat because there's no dissected male cat.
Okay.
You gotta request one?
Yeah, I gotta tell them to put one out because there's none in there.
Okay.